Hi, and welcome to another training video from XMPRO. Today we'll be looking at how to use the box and the data repeater box components. As a prerequisite for the second part of the video on the data repeater box, you should have already gone through the video on how to create and use data sources. If you haven't done that, I recommend you do that first. However, the first part of the video doesn't require this. The box is the simplest component, but it'll be the one that you're using the most. You can find the box component in the layout section of the blocks. Items inside the box component that can expand will automatically expand and evenly distribute themselves to fill the available space. So if you put multiple to like this, you can see how it works. This is because it has Flex Container enabled on it and FlexGrow 1. If you want to know more about how to modify the layout styles on the box, watch the video on how to use Flex Layout. The data repeater box is used for displaying content from a data source on the page. You can attach a data source to the box, and it will repeat itself and its contents for each row in the data source. This will give every item inside of it a list of the columns of the data source and their dynamic values. When the data repeater repeats, it will display the row's value of the selected column. Data repeaters will evenly space themselves in the container box, so if you want to make them a set height, you need to set FlexGrow to 0. Then they will appear on top of each other. And this is how it looks. For each row in the data source, it is displaying a new data repeater box with the dynamic values of the items inside showing the corresponding data in the row. This has been how to use the box and the data repeater box.